This one's a bit of a boozy cake. It's got vodka, Grey Goose vodka on top, as requested by the customer, for her son, Harry, who's 21. He absolutely loves Grey Goose vodka. He absolutely loves the Xbox, hence the Xbox topper, which I've actually used on the front of the cake. It was originally in my head, it was going to go on top of the cake, but I thought there's quite a lot going on there, and the front of the cake, even though there's stripes, it looked a bit bare. So I've just used a little bit of royal icing and attached the topper there. And then the stripes represent our local football team, or one of, which is Sheffield Wednesday, who Harry supports. So his three favourite... put my teeth back in, shall I? His three favourite things all combined into one gorgeous cake. I love this line design. I've done it on quite a few, not just for football. I mean, it works perfectly for football, but it's just, it gives such a good effect. And I've explained on one of my previous videos how to sort of go about doing that. But this is just a short and sweet one. A football themed cake with the miniature vodkas on top. The miniatures are great for cakes. They work really well. And the Xbox theme, which again, if you haven't got time to sort of make all the fondant bits, or if the customer hasn't got the budget for you to make them all, then getting a card topper made out and incorporate into the name and the age, it works out fantastic. I love how that's just making me sound big-headed, but I think it's worked. Shall I rephrase that? It's worked really well how I've sort of combined the colour of the ribbon with the writing, and then the blue board with the blue cake. Some little edible chocolate foil covered footballs. Just got those from a little sweet shop. Some white sprinkles, blue sprinkles. Simple yet effective. And this one's a chocolate cake, hence the chocolate ganache swirls all the way around to tie it all in. Yummy, yum, yum.